Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Cooley White, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connected. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. How we doing? Cacho booba, lito, Kimba. Let's go. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, Coke Zero. Good morning, good morning. Eusty for 11 piece, 10 binds. Bankstar, Zazie, Dennis, Zerniat, Mark. Shoutouts to PSG. Calling Noob. Bud Fox. Pedro. MEXC 83, good morning. How we doing? C Puman Nitrogen. MJ Bergie, Crispy. Coke Zero is juicing. Once again, the math is the math. The juice is the juice. Let's go, Kimba Gang, always. Let's go, Indo Lion. Ludo. Manolo. Pixelito Shorty. Yeah. Complete the rotation, right? Well, we'll see what happens at market open. Left that high, it's kind of ugly. But man, it's a nice reaction, isn't it? Right back to weekly VWAP. First candle closed below. In what, 2 days? Snap Italy. Oh, not on Coinbase. Oh shit. I'm still holding structure. Bullish retest, maybe? Keep doing that. Here. That's looking like failure, kinda. But give it to market open. Give it to market open. Let's see the levels for today.
The legend lives. Remember the name.
So unfilled rotations. Now we have one at 67,336. That one's cooked. And we have one to the weekly at 67 at 24, which we almost excuse me, nabbed. Yeah, I was trying to get away from the mic. I think I got the black lung pop. Yeah, we're still in value for that weekly, and then the monthly at 63. We still got that one. Okay, 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 okay. Lock in. Sales FIFA. Good morning. 64.8, 65.1, 67.220. Let's go. Coke Zero is locked in. Yeah, I think the 63.020. If we accept back inside this previous week, if we make a lower low right here, it's looking like we're going back into this value area. But we're still above for now, and that's value area for like more of the extended consolidation back here. So it's not over yet. You know, this is just a little pullback. Don't get too excited yet. We got earnings today. It's Google and Tesla, right? Excuse me. Let's go MEXC. How we doing? Housty got pixel short too. Let's go. MEXC. Thank you so much. It's a 914 to 786 rotation. Yeah. Let's go, Blink John. Yeah. What's the probabilities of those? Shout outs to Blink John. Juicy. Let's go, JV. Nitrogen. Yeah, market makers. Dude, CoinWise is coming out with the Abu Gamma video. I'm so excited for it. I gotta put a little bit of input on it. I can't wait. Who's excited for a Bugama video for the dashboard? AIM talks. Visiums. Exclamation CoinWise, hit him with it. Oritz, good morning. Salash, Morgan. Bandana, good morning. Salash is saying good morning to you. Good morning to you as well. MEXC83, thank you. Get your umbrellas out. Nitrogen's got his. Mark, Bangstar, shout outs to MEXC83. Juicing. Juice and spreading the love. Make sure you thank the man if you received a gift sub. Shout outs to Coke Zero Juicing. Shout outs to Biffum Juicing. Calling Noob. Let's go. If you need to get caught up, make sure that you hit the Discord, exclamation Discord. Happy Wednesday. Shout outs to Kimba, always dropping the juice. That was juicy juice as always yesterday. Some new in there this morning. Make sure you check it out in Kimba's Den. Exclamation Discord, and don't forget about the dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. That's one of the few German words you know. Morgen. Is it Guten Morgen? What is it? I know the curse words. But you know, that's like the first thing that you learn in middle school German class, right? Let's go, Salash. Aim Tox, good morning. Snippet Snap. Size up. Cachoy Bubolito. Y'all don't sound too excited about a Bugama video. Yeah, they just came out with a juicy ass options video and education on the knowledge base for anyone. And they're gonna have a Bugama one too. That's fucking juice, I think. Holding the 75.15 as anticipated. We still. Oh, it did clean it. That's a sweep for ants. Yeah, this is not pretty. We'll go away from the dashboard for a second. This is not pretty. It was a sweep for ants. Right here. It's holding that 75.15. Yeah, to the upside. It did clean. Not the best highs though. So we'll wait for open and see the Bugamas, and we'll see what it is. Those lows are no good either. These lows aren't good. These lows aren't great. Hey, but we're just holding structure and trying to make higher highs, right? Keeps doing it. This one. It's that one. Oh my god. Stacking them CVD lines when I see dips. Math talk heavy, you can't skip. Kimba got that plan, watch the chart unfold. Data on my hand, no fear. It's definitely contracting, isn't it? We got all of this. Is bad. Really? From there. Oh my god, I hate drawing with the magnet on. Didn't I draw it from this one before? Still outside of value for the whole range. Yeah, right around that 65. That's going to be an interesting area if we retest down there. You get structure and volume. It's pretty nice. And you know, we could go back and see a lot more. Let's go, Burbeezy. How we doing? I seen you in there, but it's been a minute since I seen you in chat. Let's go. Thank you for the resub, Shredded Island. MEXC83, you want to see anything? Anybody want to see anything? Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Shredded Island, thank you for the resub. Let's go. Hey, who's ready for the FOMC next week? We got a big week coming up. Yeah, we were nerding out on that the other day. Ooh-wee. Let's see, we got strategy earnings is next week. It's pretty much everyone is next week, or maybe the Monday afterwards. And monthly close as well. Google today. I think Tesla was today too, yeah. Oh my gosh, that daily candle yesterday and then holding that low. That's Google. Yeah. Google structure is better than Tesla. But I got that sweep here. No. Well, those are the big ones for today, I believe. Little prediction? Oh, yeah. Let's get it. All right, predictions are going in. Get your first 5-minute market open prediction. Come on, let's do more than 35,000 points this time. We'll take a time out of our day to throw these bad boys up. Come on. Hit it with size. Let's go, Chauncey. How are we doing? Good morning. Shout outs to Chauncey. Shout outs to all the mods and admins. Especially the Useless Line Records crew and the Who Juicing crew. But each and every one of them make this place amazing. So shout out to Husty, Cage, Buzz, Cyber Chauncey, MGK, Diggy Coin Nerd. Shout outs to the dev team, shout outs to the graphics team, the video team, everybody. Shout outs to Going Wise, shout outs to Kimba. Shout outs to all our juicy exchanges. Yeah, Going Wise, official stream sponsor. Let's go. Dude, Shredded Island, your name fits perfectly below my face and above the CoinWise branding. Can't make it up. Beautiful. SpaceX, look at this. Ugh. Held the 120 though, huh? I mean, just like a shitcoin. Selamaya, thank you for the resub. Bagamani! Crypto Jammies. You missed so much Kimba talking. Yeah. Yeah, sorry to let you down, brother. Yeah, just do what you can with the Kimba's Den and the Wise Lions. Kimba will be back. He'll be back. I'm gonna go back in the streams and then I'm gonna do the voice changer, like I kidnapped somebody, and use Kimba's voice changer AI. I lumped in now. Let's go, Bagamani. How we doing? Appreciate that. Yeah, just wait till they cancel me. And be like, man, what happened to Mandalo? I miss all those weird conversations we used to have. Yeah, Microsoft is looking okay, but it's distributing until it can reclaim this value area. Pixel rejection. There. Even worse. Shit. Touching the wrong keyboard. Damn. Couldn't even make it. It's that 400. Yeah, and just don't forget that we had the options expire. We had the options expire on Friday, so it's just kind of like the weekly things and Usty. Fuck no, dude. Yeah, I know. Usty's on all the time. Oh man, that's hilarious. Yeah, but Usty, you don't push the envelope on topics. I push the envelope on not only getting my stream canceled, but just getting myself canceled IRL. They'll lock me up. You're about to watch. You're going Rouge? Okay. Pup's nerves are shot out. Oh no. Well, you get the big dogs right here. Oh! Hit him with some DMX, Houston. It's like, fuck no, I ain't hit him with no New York shit. Let's go, Denial. Dorm B. Mark. Sniping it. Let's get in some other things. I'm gonna get it back over to our normal chart. We'll see some... Yeah, we'll see some alts before the open. Just really quick, do a look in. Highs on ETH looking worse than Bitcoin was. It's really pushing up. The single print, interesting that it's holding. It did break structure and lower time frame. This is our little zone. And the 1960, like, we have identified that for quite some time. Holding the 1907 though, which was something that we really wanted to have reclaimed. And we got the daily open above, a second one yesterday. So just give it some time. And once again, holding weekly VWAP. Everything is, you know, this is very shallow right now. ETH BTC looking okay. Sol, I mean, that's cool. It'd be nice if it had gotten a little higher and it was retesting right here, but you know, it is what it is. At least it's holding this structure to some level. At 77, it's like really, really contracted with the price action right now. So expansion could be coming, but it's rejecting from right here. It's all going to depend on Bitcoin and then like the larger market in general. And then Sol BTC, a little bounce, I guess. Hype. Oof. I mean, hype strength and pullbacks, and you know, it's kind of like the inverse. It's decorrelated quite a bit, and it's distributed up here for some time now. Yeah, can't move higher. Search for value lower. You know that old adage. Got the sweep, going for the sweep of the sweep. Got a rotation zone right in front of us. This is daily, but look for closes down here. Possibly naked points of control. And then, you know, if we start accepting down below the previous all-time high in like the 59, 58 range, you know, just be prepared. I'm not saying that it's coming, but be prepared for the possibility that we're gonna see the low 50s or even filling this imbalance down here. Yeah, because this is like the real value for ever. Yeah, this is Coinbase, so it doesn't have the full history, but it's got everything from February, and that's ample for the near-term plans. IRL is completely overrated. Dude, I don't give a fuck. As long as it doesn't like affect me financially, I don't care if I get canceled IRL. You'll find that the older you get, the less you give a shit. You have like the things that you care about them more, and everything else is like just don't bother me. For real, I tell people that all the time, you know, because I do a lot of things, but in university I get this, I provide guidance to the youths, to people in their education. Must be nice. Must be nice, dude. Just get on that train. Just get on that train. I mean, look at like some of the most like the coolest people that you know. The coolest people, celebrities, anybody that you admire. They may not show the same personality. Maybe they just are good with separating that part of their emotions. But they don't give a fuck. Maybe they've been there for long enough. They don't give a fuck. Any just normal person. Just go up and talk to chicks. Go into a room and just open a conversation with people. It's like the best people in sales can strike up a conversation with anyone. And it goes further than sales, but it's just a good example. Shout out to anybody that's in sales. It's definitely a mentality shift if you have not done it before. Clearly, I'm not in sales. I have been. Bro, do it for a minute in a spot, you'll see what he'll do for a whitelist. NFT drop look like a rocket, it's launching a floor, we next with it. She made me wanna go harder, I like a whole aura, I think I'm obsessed with it. They hit a stop loss, did him the worst way, he ain't had edge with it. I get right under their skin, I don't even try, I guess I can't help that shit. I'ma have love for bro for life, if we trade or not, I step with him. Of course you can beat me at talking, ain't no back and forth. Wait till we catch up with him. Knocking the bag and making. Did it get it? Did it get it? I don't fell in love with it. Liquidity dashboard with UID, a new one. Bank account look good, that's a new one. You the type like the type of computers. Got a chart, but he ain't no sakes. For God's sakes, we were like, oh, it's gonna get it, it's gonna get it. It's just gonna bounce and triangulate a little more. We're just gonna get more of this. Hey, well, more of this little triangle. Okay. It's got to the point that I don't even care. Got juice in the stash that I don't even flex. Okay, ding, 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 right? Now we can see some dangs. Oh, shit. Yeah, it has a good little bounce on that 30-minute candle on S&P and ES. Contract switch is FOMC day for CME. Oh, juice. You did? Shout out Spagamani. It is. It is. It definitely teaches you how to talk to people. Jackson, how you doing? Welcome. Look at that 65.6 on CME. Juice. That was like that high. Interesting. Yeah, if you want to like... Oh, turn this fucking thing off. Don't hate the player, hate the game. S&P, run it back on them. Run it back turbo. Here we go now. Fill the gap, maybe clean the highs. Monthly VWAP. And now you got a nested gap here, another one. Dip the tip right from that pixel perfect gap from before. Interesting. How was that open yesterday? Damn. Right to 7,500. Let's see it on index. I'm gonna update the GEX and everything. We'll check it out in just a second. Alright, I'll get it on 15 for this chart. And we'll do it here too. Yeah, GEX flip has shifted up above 7,500, I believe. That's the last I saw. Orups, how we doing? Yeah, Orups, give me a second. Let me TA this open real fast, and then I'll go through that. Yeah, I got you, brother. Biffum, let's go to the office. Shoutouts to the NFT holders, by the way. Biffum just reminds me of that. The NFT and the mugs. I'm about to go out and get my mug just in honor of Biffum because I think that he gifted me one. Yeah, I won one from Kimba and I won one from Biffum, I believe. Biffum, love you, brother. Juice, 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 juice. I'm about to get it in honor of Biffum. Let's ride through these highs. You can't stay away from this. I had to go up to Mom's kitchen from Mom's basement. Mrs. Mandalo is going to be so pissed at me for making more dishes. Because she knows I ain't washing those dishes. I love you, brother. Cheers. Exclamation merch. Exclamation NFTs. Biffum's got some juicy ones. Oh my god. Tastes so much better from a Kimba mug. You got your white one? Let's go, maybe. How we doing? How you doing, maybe? You juicing? Are you gonna see that movie? Dude, I'm so fucking tired. And then like the kids are not sleeping. It's fucking horrible. Let's go, maybe. Hey, let's do a cheers through the airwaves. Big cheers. Delicious. It actually does taste better than that. Quite a bit. Big cheers to all of you lions. Much love. You broke your white ones? Oh, Kachoya! Exclamation merch. Time to re-up. It does have the new logo, doesn't it? Hey, just wait. When you see the Useless Lines mugs, the Who Juicin' mugs with Sato's face on it, and a panda, and Z-Zap. Holy shit, how about like that split screen? Who's that blonde dude supposed to be? Is that... I never asked about that. That would be sick though. Just get a panda Who Juicin' mug. Let's go. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, Oryx. I'm fucking getting sidetracked. That's Sato, the blonde dude? Did he used to have blonde hair? That's awesome. Oh, it is? Okay. Shout out to you, Steve. Shout out Who Juicin'. Premiere today, isn't it? Ooh-wee. Cheers, Crypto. Good morning to you. Baratina. How we doing, brother? I'm trying to lock in. Alright. So this is what I was doing.
So loud, Kimber gang anthem, we move the crowd. Cashing in dreams, futures allowed. Juiced up forever, success about. So loud.
Had to crank it. This song is dope. So you can't see 64.8? Sure you can. Why not? It could even like dip down into there. Give me a minute on this S&P. I'm gonna pull up the Boogamma stream. Exclamation Boogamma. I was just doing my own, like, do your own research. Interesting on, oh shit, is this live? Yeah, on the Binance Exo stream. Okay. Yeah, nothing really has come in that much, but there's 75, 50 is looking like your biggest strike, and then 7,500 probably, and that's Gex Blip is 7,500, and then all expirations. And you got weekly coming up, but it's gonna be more widely distributed with put. With more depth on the put side than anything. Okay. What I was talking about was this big old buildup. How'd it get so big old? That's a baby Mandalo thing. You say big old. What's a bearish retest PD by area low? Probably. It's possible. QST. I think it kind of already did though, brother. Maybe off a market open it'll do that. Maybe it'll clean that high. You two friends went to Japan in the 80s for bartend and stay, both blondes and the Japanese. Yeah, no shit. Wait, are they male or female? Either way. It seems like Japanese. I mean, dude, Yeah, maybe not like entirely, but like exclamation XO. Like Kimba is with somebody, he said baby girl's Brazilian. It seems like just as humans, something that's a little bit different is appealing. It's just wired into our DNA for some diversity in our genetics. I believe that as a scientist. White dudes like Asian chicks. I'm not saying that like universally, but I can speak for this one. Surfer dudes, oh, they're probably killing it over there. Did they get married? They stayed? Shout out to Cyber, he went over there. I really want to go. I want to get a house there, man. These shits are cheap and nice. It is math, Mark. Shout out to Mark. Okay, we got the Gex flip marked. Levels to the outside, levels to the downside. Gap fill, but not mine. Tap in the weekly VWAP. Math is the math. Let's play this one out a little bit. QC was asking about PD value area low, and Orps is asking about Kimba's levels. Yeah, but that's a good question from Housty. Yeah, if it can even make it there, Housty. Yeah, it's NT pot, or it's T. It's time and volume point of control for this session. It could absolutely reject there and leave these highs behind. If it went a little bit higher, you still have some other levels. You got VWAP intersecting with PDEQ and previous month EQ. Yeah, and that's before we even like rotate through the volume value area for our session, right in smack in the middle of the single print and at the structural local sweep. Yeah, there was a lot of top longs, and there's some big longs holding right now on Binance. ETH is looking super good, or ETH is, Manolo. Can you space it out if you want it to be ETH just for this question? I'm not asking like all the time. ETH has a better structure. We were looking at that a minute ago. Did it just pump? You can see the Bugamas on it. Yeah, that's a good little opening candle. Somebody wants higher on ETH. It did get the sweep. I don't know. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, but we were saying that like it needs to make it back up like a little bit higher to even like, it almost got there, letting some people out. 2,000 is probably pretty big. I want to pull up the gammas for the end of the month for like the options, open interest, and everything. Yeah, not bad. Okay, but to Hughie's question, I think that is good confluence. from here, see if it rejects outright. I don't know how I feel about just blanket shorting this right off of the open. And, you know, just like, I guess you have this as your invalidation up here. I would feel better maybe if it like swept that and then tucked back in, or swept that and like real hard. If you got like, I mean, this is like a perfect world. So considering that this is a pretty strong opening candle, if it sweeps this and then they slam it back down to like here, and then it's like, oh man, I feel like it's getting these lows and maybe and probably lower. But it feels like it's not anything. I'm just saying that's the type of reaction that I would want to see if I was trying to get lower prices. Alright, we're up. Let me see these levels. Okay, 60. His levels are on CME. Hold the bigger range, value area high support, so we hold the point of control at around 65.5 on CME. It's a good shot at our 67.8. 64.8 with single print and smaller range, value area low is the last level of support. Short around 68. Never panic, never high. Lions stay live. Get it over on CME. I'm gonna deposits in green. Withdrawals clean. Math and data, we built the dream. You can see the levels cut on the screen. Kimba gang, forever supreme. Bugatti, easy money flowing. The lions still roaring. Bugatti, easy money growing. Kimba gang still scoring. Safe to say we the juice, the largest. Poppin' Bugatti trade straight out the market. Oh, I climb it. Them pixel touch look enormous. Price might move, but the gang still lawless. Safe to say we the juiciest, the largest. So he's talking about this value, this bigger range. I don't know where he pulled it. Maybe here. I think. Orups, you still here, brother? Move on the other side of your boat. Shoutouts Texas Flow, exclamation TX Flow. Let's get that. 1980 Manolo. I like 19. Yeah, that's pretty solid. It would be hilarious if they front ran 2000. Okay, cool. Shoutouts Orups. So that's one of his first levels of confluence. You see that this is my, like there's better ways to do this, but it's a fast way to do it, and it's not that inaccurate. It just is in a higher time frame, so it's a little less precision. But we have the value area high, value area low, point of control for the volume distribution here. We held and broke from value. We did not take this high yet. We didn't take this high yet. So this is kind of like the 67.7 area. If we go into lower time frame, we'll see the structure that Kim was kind of considering. We'll do that. And that's a flat daily candle. Pretty ugly in candle analysis. You see that? Flat. But instead we broke from value and closed on the daily yesterday, and we pixel retested it today. If it pulls back, well, he said the point of control, and I think that he's talking about not the larger range, but here. No? Oh, maybe it's like for
Kimba gang forever.
Ooh, an RTH. I like is this.
Feeling good in my mind. Smoke my lettuce. Mind it free. Trade my level. Life is sweet. All of us lions.
The funny thing is that like this giant range, point of control is still down here.
Feeling blessed when I look around the chat. Everyone I met, real nut cap. Charts up, hearts up, we the map.
It's almost in the same spot.
Juice, then we laugh. Growing up, we did flow, we did vibe.
Do it there.
KIMBA gang, we did
This is where I
light,
did
we
it.
did shine.
Dude, it's the exact same spot. 64, give or take. Pretty important, huh? And then we'll get it for here. From when we broke out early this week, or end of last week, I guess, huh? Is that from July? Yeah.
Feeling blessed when I look around the chat. Everyone I met.
It doesn't matter. Like, if we pulled it 3 different places, that's still the point of control. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? It's on CME, 4-hour charts too. Is it still the same? Yeah. He's looking at the single print and smaller range value area low. I'm gonna have to do that off screen, I think. Fuck. Okay, give me a second. The dashboard. Yeah, because there's some test net indicators in my favorites. We don't want them to be shown.
This price pump, keep my alerts active. Seen your play call late, but the squad passed it. Paper up, more fibs, more margins. Got my foot on the gas with the gassed up charts, yeah. Y'all nowadays make me nervous. Stacked up, wrist beat the stop losses, drop the charges. Haters nowadays are starving.
Yeah, speaking of the dashboard though, shout outs to the daily levels and losing value right back in value to the teapot. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah, we'll look at this real fast and I'll get this chart looking right. Whether old or the new, you can't fake our foundation. Too much sauce in the roster. Let the level hit first, then I flip with my partners. I'm only here for the go. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go. Yeah, that's true. It could. Personally, I think that there might be a little bit more to come. And not because I'm like particularly bullish, it's just in how I'm reading the market and like open-interest and just like the timing of FOMC and all this other shit that's going on at the end of this month. But there is still persistent selling. They have a comp going on right now. Let's go, Houston. That's juice. We get some unfilled rotations to the upside and the downside. Those are the liquidation heat map. I'll go back to Orob's question again. Sorry, Orob's, I know it's like pieced together. So 48 hours, biggest to the downside. You know, with those bad lows, we've come and grabbed quite a bit. There still is something huge above us now. Yeah, it's above that 67 sweep, like what we've been talking. That 67.8, it's kind of like pricing in a little bit. Yep, same, I'm actually like pretty neutrally positioned, so but I wouldn't mind seeing it run through and you know, yeah, I wouldn't mind loading up lower. Loading up lower, but I'm not in any rush, man. This is summer anyways, man. We're gonna get like, I would be kind of surprised to see any kind of break one way or another, other than rotating through their giant value area before at least the next few weeks, if not, you know, the end of the summer. So yeah, to the upside, that same level that we were talking about, and that big liquidation, it kind of confluences with the CME, and this is that structure. So I was looking at the CME on RTH, Oryx. This isn't CME liquidity, but it still is kind of comparable or correlate. You can correlate like the market structure to CME, and you know, you can kind of like get a big picture feel for what may be a target above. And then for our liquidation map on the daily, again to the downside, who was it that was asking about the 65 breakout for 11 piece maybe? Yeah, I see you for 11 piece. Yeah, I like that. If it bounces there, maybe said if they get an ABC flat, you're gonna be annoyed. Fuck yeah, dude. Probably, dude. They probably will. Let's go, maybe. Maybe he's killing it. Shout out to maybe. Shishibui 64.9 and also quite a liquidation cluster. It'd be healthier for them to take. I don't know about that. I think you kind of want everybody chasing it, but yeah. We kind of did that though. Didn't we? Wait a minute. Didn't we already like clear out everybody? I guess so. Like these lows are not that great. I was almost thinking that this one was gonna be what held us, but it wasn't during RTH. Yeah, maybe we get one more. Maybe we get one more. So you get your 3 drive. Right? I don't know. And they don't have like that channel structure even more, and then breaking from the channel. Discipline, yeah. Shout out Discipline. Let's go Zerniat. 10 binds. You put a limit on 64, 946. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Let's go Sunset. How we doing? Let's go Bugs, Banny, Trinity. That's me. Oh, I'm talking to the Twitch, my boy. How you doing? Sorry, sorry for the YouTube gang. Let's go Dolcon. How you doing, Neil? Good morning. I was so nerded out on the on a couple of questions that we had. Let's go Indo Lion. Happy Wednesday. He's in the future. Bugs Vanny. You got any questions? Welcome. Yeah, shout outs to Kimba Gang always. If we can go over the POC, yeah, I think that that's the biggest question. So I think I got the single prints on here now. I do. I'll get it on ETH. And turn the dashboard off. And talks on here too, but not much else. Oh, it's my settings on it. Jesus, look at those fucking indicators. Just do it simple because I don't want to mess with it right now. There we go. There's our single print. So if it went down there, I don't even have the gaps on here. You can see the gap. And we're right smack in the middle of two gaps. Gap. I don't even have settlement mark, but we'll just say that's our gap. Almost got the upper bound of this one, but there is the second gap right here. Yeah, it was here. We're trading into it. It's almost the 05 of it, isn't it? Yeah, let's get it back over to TRADFI. Let me see this last thing for the question for orbs while I'm still on here, so I don't forget. So he's talking about that 67.8 area. I think as long as it holds this single print. I think as long as it holds this single print. That's kind of, I think, what he's talking about, kind of the zone, the 68 zone. Even if it fills it and comes back down. Yeah, it's pretty good. But you want to look for like failed auction, breaking structure up there. Yeah, brother. I mean, it's good. It's a good question. It's kind of like more abstract because there's a lot of parts to it with the different levels that he's talking about. How about that? Yeah, you kind of just like need to hold in here if you wanted to stay bearish. Yeah, maybe like that's your invalidation, like this gap or something, or midway through the gap. I don't want to like ladder up through there. Yeah, it's looking like it's reclaimed at that point to me. The music is too loud compared to me. Yeah, I cranked it earlier and now it's sorry about that. It was loud, sorry. Yeah, for real, Housty. Yeah, man. For real, maybe. Yeah, that gap. No. You really just want to get like back inside. Maybe it's like, and that's kind of what I think a lot of people are looking for. If you're waiting for this level, it's either like getting slammed down on the rejection of this high. You want a fast reaction for that. Otherwise, you need to like if you get a close up here, it's looking way less bearish. This is not looking super bearish right now anyways, but it's like the levels that we've been planning for. You want it to come back in. You don't want to like, if you're looking for it to be a short, you want it to come back inside, and then come back. Because it's going to come back. They're not going to just like come up here and then all the way to 0. So that's the failed auction scenario that I'm kind of like thinking about. And it's not looking too, you know, we're getting some green candles now. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
You feel that? You feel that? I don't need the noise, I got proof.
Yeah, so didn't exactly reject from your point of controls. Just kind of paused, getting above, rotated through volume value. Here's our TPO value, and the composite point of control for the past 2 sessions right above where our daily TPO value is, and previous day points of control. This TPO is yellow, volume is red. Yeah, so that's good confluence at the highs. If this tucks back in, we talked about this. Did we not talk about this? If it sweeps right here, let's go, Mr. Lares. I think I said something about that. Look at that open interest. Look how those longs came in. Still have them holding. Damn. And look at that on the S&P. Clean those bad highs. Close the gap. Get those bad highs. Snap diddly. What level is that on ES? Damn. The 75.50 monthly VWAP. So we might throw a lot of things out there, but you can't say that we haven't discussed that scenario. If you're not coughing, you're not Latuccian. How is dollar versus CHF? What you got going on? Are you looking at Dixie? Yeah, leaving it behind. If we change structure, then that's kind of interesting. Is that what you're looking at on what? On the ETH discipline? You're talking about the like, let's say we came up on like spot and everything because we had those 3 stacked single prints. Come on now. These little jammers that are about to show up here. Oh man. Come on. Trading view, yeah, those. You're talking about those discipline? Yeah, I like that. Even if it fills one, you have a higher probability to fill partially than to come and get all 3. It does do it sometimes, though, so it's not like it's gonna happen. I think that if it trades in here, you're looking, if it trades up to here, you're looking at the possibility, unless it's like getting slammed back down, you're looking at definitely a possibility of the same thing that we talked about last time. So on Monday, we were like, hey, okay, we're breaking from value. If we sweep here, look at a shallow pullback around that 65 level, and it happened. It played out perfectly, didn't it? Token Tickler said, I did. Shout out to Penlovsky. Yeah, maybe. He's confirming that I said it after it happened, so at least I said it. I think that maybe it's observation, not interpretation, but it still is, we are aware of it. Yeah, discipline. Yeah, normally do a 3-drive pattern up through there. I could see that. I could see that. Juicy, juicy data there. Discipline. Consuela's coming to play market open. Yeah. I was talking about this one, maybe. Yeah. So get back down in here. Oh yeah, that's what I was like. I was like, yeah, maybe it cleans this, and then you get back down here. Well, give it time. Give it time. We're still in the initial balance. I'm so tired, man. Like, I'll say these things, I don't remember fucking anything. That's pretty juicy. 66 long on Binance for 2 hours ago is just go green for 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, you might give up on that one. You might give up on that one. I think that might be a target. So, and as soon as Coinwise does that Boo Gamma video, we're gonna have like a little bit more of a nerd out. We'll talk about what they got and maybe help you guys interpret it a little bit better. But we can connect. Shishi Bui, dude, I did not know the future. I just like have seen a lot, and I throw out. If you throw out enough scenarios, one of them's probably gonna happen. So any of the influencers that you see that are like fucking, hey, this and this, and they just will delete the one that doesn't work out. You get it all live. I just need better sleep, oh, dude. I know I do. I know. That's a pretty cool opening candle. And look at S&P. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Alright, we'll look at it, yes. It already got the gap, so we're gonna forget about the gaps for right now.
No risky trades, I stop, no set. We calculate every move in harmonics like a rhythm great. Kimba gang, you know, we don't hesitate. Deals nobody feels like this.
That was a pretty nice little push right there.
Come back, stack up, don't front too hard. Fibonacci balance got us living large. Money talks in pixels, every piece filled. Kimba box moves, you know we always chill. Stack profits in the bank, no stress, just skills.
Let's go Hujusin. Let's go Dokong. How you doing? Happy Tuesday. It's happy Wednesday, isn't it? Getting closing below value area low. Yeah, you just don't want to get like back Really don't want to get back like below like that high 64s, I don't think. Yeah, maybe you get that and it forms like kind of a longer accumulation or reaccumulation for like a true higher low. So what just happened? Because that's not really a low. That kind of is, I guess, but you have room. You still have room. So let's just say even in this little trend, I wouldn't call that like a swing low. I call that like a pullback. It was pretty shallow. I'm going to call this a low. You have room. So you got a higher high, higher low, higher high. Anywhere above this would be okay. And dude, look at that. Once again, I don't even have to draw it on the chart. That's 64. Point of control of volume. Yeah, it's like fucking hideous right now. But it intersects around there. You get below that, and then you're like flirting with a lower low. I don't really like it getting below this. But you gotta like be able to tolerate that and consider this or this to be like a pivot or a swing low. Go to work because you broke. Every time. Yeah, we do have time. The POC is fixed at 64 pretty much. It's Wednesday here for you around 4:16. Yeah. Well, dude. To the balcony, Shishibui. Shishibui, where are you? 4:16 p.m. You're in Europe? Oh wait. Wait, who was it that said they were in Morocco the other day? You're at work? Oh man. Dude, to the bathroom! To the car! Shout out Shishibui. Are they strict about Lituche there? I mean, obviously, you're not going to be cool about you taking Lituche breaks at work, but I'm just saying, like, the legality of it. Yeah, I couldn't even make it to that big resistance on S&P. And 75.50 was more important, it looks like, for now. Let's go, Bumbule. How we doing? Good morning. To the bridge and to jump down. Cows, not kangaroos. Yeah. I remember you even said that last time. Shout out Shishibui. Yeah. What are we gonna nerd out about. Exclamation TX flow, exclamation bit base. So maybe our next level would be a sweep down here and getting back inside the gap. Maybe the gap fill, but I feel like if it gap fills, it's going to grab this naked point of control on this low right here on RTH, as long as it's during RTH session. You know, I'm always on the side that probabilities leaning towards a sweep occurring rather than a certain high or a low holding. But that absolutely can happen. I know that, you know, everybody that took this short up here, you have a clear invalidation. I just know the probability is slightly you know, that's just my like school of thought. Sometimes I miss trades. It's something you got to accept. If you're not going to take it, if you're not going to use your stick to your plan, have those. I mean, that's a really nice invalidation. Can you cancel it? Dude, I don't think it's that bad, man. I don't think it's that bad yet anyways. 411 Ps. Shout out to 411 Ps. Yeah, thanks, brother. I'm happy to have you here. But I'm just some dude, man. I'm just giving my take on it. Yours is sadly at 65, 699. So you're hoping for lower? Wait, your long is? Or your short is? Oh. Well, dude. So you took the sweep here. Shishibui. Where did it go? Wait, you shorted this? The breakdown? Like on the retest and you're like laddered up through here? I'm rooting for you, brother. Stand up if you're short. Stand up if you're long. Invalidation here. I think invalidation was this. That's 66.3, a close above that. Yeah, but you could fib it. You know, that's a golden pocket, like above, like beyond the golden pocket, maybe. Like people are gonna be looking to enter there. I don't like that because of how these highs look. Dude, that's right to the 05. Wait a second. Dude, what is this 7505 bullshit? 7.5. I mean, it's not like actually supposed to be like that, but I'm going to just make it work. Let's go, Discipline. Hey, Plant D. And Kim was like, what the fuck is this, like, Frankenstein shit? It is 7.5 to 05, though. Kinda. It's actually 7.5 to... yeah, whatever. Isn't it funny that stands and sits? Stands up, sits down, stands up again. We're in all three, my boy. Shout outs to Fredward, shout outs to Coke Zero, shout outs to Maybe Band-Aid. Let's go, Eusty. Dude, that's fucking legendary. I want to get that shit framed. That shit is so funny. The math is the math. The juice is the juice. The Latuche is the Latuche. Let's go Kata Spada. You did. Aw, so you just like kind of held through it. I see you. He was going for this sweep right here, huh? And then it just like fucking freight train through, huh? Is that what happened, brother? Yeah, they were unkind to shorts. It wasn't really like a huge amount of licks though. Shishibui, you get him on the next one. Hopefully you get out unscathed and maybe even juice up on this. What was your invalidation? The 67.3? Don't tell me it was like a 100x Sato trade, please. Exclamation prepared. What are the Korean gang? How they looking? Exclamation. Who juicing? Got a who juicing stream coming up in a little while. Counter trade. The counter trade. Exclamation. WEEX and what's the other one that? What's the ZZAP one on? Do we have like a counter trade for ZZAP? Other than the Who Juicing, do we have a copy trade for that? I can't remember, dude. Like, I'm telling you, I'm fucking retarded right now. Discipline. You know how. For real. And you know, it's like, not that it's great, but we were looking at this as like a sweep. We had these shitty highs right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was like a sweep for ants. Like, oh, it got back in. We weren't talking about it on market open. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ooh. Naked point of control. Nice rejection. We were like, okay, be patient, but don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. It could bounce here. Maybe it comes out and gives us a clean. I mean, we got the close back inside on the daily. Oh, and there's your cleaner. So you had the sweep and the cleaner. All right. Oh, fuck. So maybe going for this. You know, the clean of the clean. Yeah. No. He's not shorting the breakdown. He didn't bottom short that. He just got kind of ran over, and it kept on going on him. Like, that's like the worst thing to see when you get in a position, the market like off of the daily open just like grinds upward. Like, fuck. It's the best thing if you planned for this. It got long right here, but like, dude, that felt like kind of toppy, didn't it? I know it did for a lot of people. If you weren't already in something, maybe you were aggressive with it. Yeah. Shout outs Discipline. Shout out Shishibui. Yeah, Shishibui, you'll get it. You'll get it. Was that pretty accurate how I interpreted your mentality on the position? Is this audio better now?
Watch me pivot and play, turning red to green like it's just another day. Let it rain profits, let it storm success. I made my name, now I'm taking the rest. Feel myself, yeah, I'm living the script. Calculated moves at the
I usually get stopped out. Discipline. I don't really like to ladder wide zones. Excuse me. Unless it's real low leverage and I'm really confident with it. Like the bottom, the 57, I felt pretty good about, and I laddered it. Oh shit, Shishibu, yeah. Yeah, you're still working. It's all good, man. Oh man. So you let it run. Yeah. Hopefully it's not like your whole account or anything. Cyper, we were just shouting you out, brother. Good morning, good morning. How you doing, brother? It's good evening to you. Looks like you're having a great time over there, man. Cyper's living his best life in Japan. Sending me some cool shit. Dude, that cat was cool. I know you were thrilled about that. Dude, who's taking care of your turtles? Did you find a new home for them? Or your family is? Your tortoises, I mean. I think I asked you that like before, but yeah, oh yeah, I feel you. Discipline. You know, just get out unscathed for the most part. Yeah. If it comes back, Shishibui, I would think about like at least shit. I would think about maybe shaving a little bit right now anyway, if it's like a bigger position. But if it comes back, I think that you might want to close it and just take the L. But not financial advice. I just feel like, yeah, I don't know. I don't really like it if it comes back all the way up here. But do you, brother? Do you? And I know that you're working, so it's harder to like tinker. Yeah. Shoutouts to Orbs. Let's go, Jaskier. How we doing? That's awesome, Cyper. Your sister's probably thrilled about that. Is this your sister that was living in England? And she came back to take care of your turtles? Tortoises. Oh, man. She's like very accomplished and she came back to take care of Cypress tortoises. Hey, you know, that's real power, Cyper. Do you FaceTime with them? That's amazing. Let's go, Dole Kong. Year long got stopped out. Oh, Kachoya. Yeah, Dole Kong. You said that they're going to come visit you, didn't they? Not the tortoises, your family. You said like later this year. That would be really cool. The Ninja Turtles. Yeah. That's awesome, Cyber. Shout out to Cyber. Z-Zap's looking for me. Send him the link. I haven't turned on his stream since the last time that Who Juice and rated them. He's probably gonna be not happy with me. He's gonna be like, "You fucking, you're a whore. What are you doing?" Just tell him that I'm trying to make a name for myself, and I can grab onto his coattails to become famous too. Are you for real, Do Kong? Definitely, if I come to that part of the world and visit Cyprus, Z-Zap is probably going to come over and be like, uh-oh. Damn, these slows too, man. These motherfuckers. It's a good song. Beautiful. I don't even know what the original sounds like anymore. It's like that. Shoutouts to Useless Lines. Exclamation Talent Show. Get your submissions in. Maybe you can make something juicy juice legendary on stream all the time. Oh man, J-Bucks. I miss it too. Those were a lot of fun. Shoutouts to Cyber. Yeah, man. Dude, Cyber. He was the best game show host, and then he graduated. He graduated and moved on to running half of Japan. So, shout out to Cyber. Yeah, it's really hard to juggle that. Like, you don't see Trump holding a game show anymore, or a fucking TV show. You know, he was on TV shows and shit, but he became president, so, like, you know, you can't handle all that stuff anymore. Kim Billionaire was a lot of fun. It's a cool show. Hey, but Cyper, you think you're gonna be able to stay up for FOMC next week? Or are you gonna be... It's the middle of the week, in the middle of the night, I don't know, but we're gonna be doing bingo again for the FOMC. Yeah, Cyper is a big dog now. Big lion, anyway. Yeah, it was great. It was amazing. Shout out to Cyper. ETH swept again with this? Oh, shit. Somebody is fucking being aggressive on ETH. I said I was going to look at the options on it. All right. Hilarious. Yeah, that's making me feel a little more bearish. That's a sweep for ants, but it is a sweep. It's a little bit more of that single print too. Shit. They're gonna get it. They're gonna get it at some point. I don't know if it's gonna be now. Maybe they get this and then right back again. I don't know. Do not enter alone based on that. Oh, shout outs to Cyper. Yeah. It's on Wednesday, so I guess Thursday for you, maybe? I don't know. I don't know how dates work for... I guess it's Thursday night. Wednesday night? I don't know, dude. Yeah, you're in the future, I think, aren't you? Yeah, Zamil. Shout out to Zamil. Dokong. I don't know, man. I know people are looking. Killer, we got in the short earlier. We planned for this. So there was two areas that we were looking for. This level up here, like 66.8 for an unfilled value rotation. There is another one that we planned for this possibility, but this was our invalidation up here for a failed auction before the highs. The second level that we planned for this morning was off of the open. It was a kind of a strong candle. And so we were like, okay, well, locally, we have these weak highs. We have daily value area high and TPO value area high, VWAP, PDEQ, and previous month EQ, all kind of in like a confluence cluster. More to the upside, we had value, and we were looking for potentially a sweep of this, structural retest, kind of invalidation above this high with point of control for the entire range. And aiming for these lows at least. So the RR wasn't huge on this, but you shave a little bit on the at these lows maybe, and then you know, kind of looking at this cluster as our next level. Yeah, and I would even still you know, you got this 66, or sorry, the 65 to down to the 64.9. You're gonna get a reaction there. I don't know how well it's gonna hold or anything like that, but let's just see that. The previous month value is 65.1. Yeah, look at that for this cluster. Are you looking for a short? I don't know if I'm looking to enter a short now. It's kind of pushing on these lows. Maybe if it comes back after, you know, if it loses again and comes back, I would be maybe looking for it. I'm kind of like looking for longs too. Yeah, potentially down in this area. And cleaning these lows. And then like our last area of long confluence kind of down in the mid to low 64s. Otherwise, I think like quite a bit lower. Yeah, but check it out in the Discord, exclamation Discord. There's the free Discord if you click on that link, and there is some really detailed plans for many markets in the KIMBA'S Den. But Killer Hunter, please ask anything. Welcome. Let's go, King of the West. Let's go. Let's go. For 11 P's is like feeling his 65 long again. Oh shit, in 20 minutes, he's in the future. I wish it would work like that. Oh, check out PSG also. Oh my God. I usually try to do this. Shout out to PSG. Artem, Anemone, Sin, Maestro. Dude, Maestro. All right, you watched World Cup final, didn't you? Maestro, are you on stream or are you just in PSG? He might be AFK. Dude, on that halftime show, they fucking had Homegirl's license plate said Maestro on it. It was spelled different, but that shit was hilarious. Did you see that? Shots Maestro. Yeah, Zamil. I just, until they clean that, leaving these highs the way they look, until that gets cleaned, I think that the probability lies to holding and higher, at least a little higher. Yeah, that's a W, Maestro. Shout out to Sunset. Sunset, how you doing? How's your journey going? Yeah, dude, that was his personal car. He rented it out. He you know, cause Maestro juicing. I would have been a little bit pissed that people were getting all their footprints all over my dune buggy or whatever the fuck that was. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Or you just like turned it off for that? That's great, Sunset. I'm glad to hear it, honestly. Take it slow. I should have done more of that when I started. I actually did it when I was in like high school and shit. But you know, that was the olden days. Now we have things like CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise for all these indicators, and it's more clear but more complicated at the same time. So you can, when you learn to read it, it can be giving you a whole lot more edge, but it's got a pretty high learning curve for getting used to it. Ah, Inky, I know, man. I know. That's why you get your detailer to come over. Come on now. Act like you've been rich before. We juice up. Cypress said just bring it to a car wash. Shit. You get your washer to come to you. Paying for washing more than gas? Dude, I know. It's got to look good in front of your house. You don't have that car to drive around. You do it to flex in front of your house. Pay for washing the car? You pay either way. Even if you wash it with the hose, you're paying for it. I want to burst your bubble on that one. You're paying for the wash. You're paying for the fucking tools and shit. Just so it doesn't ruin the paint job. Yeah. Inky, you got a nice car, I guess, huh? Dude, Cyper. I've always been into like drifting and shit. I even have like a project drift car. But dude, I have got to go to that road. You guys have a car? Yeah, it's called my mom's. I borrow it when she's already got plans or something. Drive your own cars. How the fuck you think I'm drifting, Houston? They call me the American DK. Cyber's like, you're such a fucking dork. Oh, man. Dude, speaking of Houston, because Houston's got a Cully. I don't, man. Those are cool though. I don't. Because Houston's got a Cully. I was driving home from work yesterday, and there was this dude. He was like the fattest, like nastiest, slobbiest looking dude. Like he would have been like, I'm saying, Houston, you guys got Big Lots there? He looked like he would be shopping at Big Lots. Or like, I mean, like at a nasty old Walmart or something. He was the slobbiest looking motherfucker. Parked straight out front of this restaurant that's like on my way home in a Cully, brand new Cully. Like, dude, that would be me. Real talk. McFrugals. Long oil while your tank, your car. Yeah, exactly. It's called hedging. Yeah, let's look at oil, by the way. Oil juicing. Oil juicing. That's what it is. Damn. Yeah, I still need to reclaim 90. But paint me oil. They changed the name to Big Lots? I didn't know that. That's hilarious. Honestly, Zamil, and I've spoken on this before. Even if I had like $100 billion, I fucking wouldn't get a Bugatti. I don't care. I would get just like a sick ass fucking Unimog or something. But, you know, whatever makes you happy, enjoy that. Enjoy that hypercar. I saw the funniest video of this dude with like a fucking convertible Lambo. It was like, I think it was a Aventador. You know, so it wasn't like a brand new one, but this motherfucker's head is like sticking out the top. Like full on. And it wasn't, you know, it wasn't meant to be like that. This dude looks like such a fucking, it looked like a go-kart. But it was like a for real Lambo. This shit's hilarious. I wish I could fucking pull it up, but it's on Instagram, I think. It's hilarious. Okay. I mean, on the daily, we're coming right back into that important area. We got that gap at the 83.84, closed yesterday. Beautiful. Ran it back on that wick. Almost closed above those highs and turning that daily structure into support for now. Now we're getting into this order block. But more importantly, for value, we can't even do it. Maybe we can. No, we can't. Yeah. It's gonna do it. I need to get rid of this thing. Dude, that's pixel value area low. Same shit. We need to get inside that 89, 90 zone. But then 96 is your next level. I see gold, silver. Yeah, it's not looking like as good of a reaction as, I don't know, man. It's just rotating through this lower end of value. You know what the plan is. It's looking better though. It's getting close. We want to get up here. The plan hasn't changed. Really, I think it's looking better for higher if we get this. Close above 41.40 today. I'm gonna have to go to the balcony in a second. I gotta take a piss. Damn. But that 102 is pretty strong. They had a that was the biggest call wall. I'll pull it up again, I guess. I'm gonna look at ETH real fast though, just to see, like, maybe do we have more upside to come. That was a pretty nice rejection. Shout outs to anybody that took that. I was open interest on it. Somebody's long. A lot up here. But protecting this position. I guess they're looking at that 1907, the 1900 level as being reclaimed. And they're like, okay, we'll turn on the fucking buying. Okay. Okay. For Friday, F. Yeah. I might see a pullback. But it's not that big for Friday. Max pain is 1875. It actually might. It might see that even a little lower. And that's not very far. It's like, what, 2%? It definitely can handle that. And then for the monthly, max pain's 1800, and you got some big calls at 2000. Yeah, by far your biggest strike. Okay. Well, I mean, the math is the math. You like the Taycans? Taycan. My buddy sells Porsches, and he really likes those cars. He's taken them out on the track a few times. I'm not the biggest fan of electrics, man, but I know that they're fun. Maybach or Cully. Yeah. I see you, Housty. I like it, Zamil. The NSX. The NSX is so sick. You like the new ones, or you're like, you know, the you like the tradition of the old one. I like the old ones, man. The new ones are dope, but yeah, I'm about it with those old ones. Those things are fucking sick. Yeah, shout outs to Meal. Yeah, the Aston. Yeah, the Spectre. Yeah, Kimba did. I don't know if he still does. Those are pretty nice. Yeah, I like the comfort of a Rolls. I don't know. Like I said, I don't really like... I'm a car guy, but I don't care enough to like really be a car guy. Let's go. Let's go, maybe. Within 82 bucks. Excuse me. He rage quit. It's pretty crazy, maybe. Yeah, we were analyzing ETH BTC. BTC has to just push higher, I think. But we have time. We have time until the monthly. And, you know, not that that's gonna do anything, but it's kind of been like beyond today with the earnings that can have an effect. We're just kind of like cruising until FOMC. Yeah, the 90s drip cars is where it's at. Yeah. Let's go Escalade. Yeah, my friend's dad's got a pretty sick Aston. I think it's a DBS. It's like the DB12 or something S. I can't remember. It's sick as fuck though. Shout out to that new Vanquish. That thing is fucking insane. Exactly, Inky. Exactly. You like cars from the 70s to the 90s? Shout outs to you. I got 2 cars from the 80s. I like classic cars. Not that the 80s are like really classic cars, but I got some pretty funny ones. Comfy seats, yeah, that's a must. Honestly, you don't even like, some of them you don't even need. You run and ride a bike more than you drive. When I'm at home, yeah, I'm the same way maybe. If I'm, so by choice, if I had a choice about it, if I don't have to go anywhere, the only places that I'm really gonna go is to like work things, or maybe like the beach, take the kids out to do something, but I'm not like going out to dinner and shit. I am, like, we take walks all the time. Our neighborhood's pretty good for that. Mrs. Mandalo goes a lot. She's got to fucking take the kids everywhere. You had a 60s Fiat Death Trap? Nice. Cable brakes? Oh shit, dude. No, I have the cucaracha horn. Shout out to Houston. Damn, that's cool. Dude, my buddy's dad collected fucking old cars like that. He had like he had original Woody from like the 40s or something, and it was fully restored. It was so nice. Shout out Houston is crazy. Dude, I got the cucaracha horn on mine. I'm like, dude, you know that song. Come on now. It's on my box Chevy. It's a must. And I got Dayton's on it. Come on now. Yeah, the GT3 RS. Yeah. Dude, I saw the new GT2. It's pretty dope. He knows what a box Chevy is. Goddamn. A box Chevy? Maybe? Is that what you said? Skyline money. Let's go, Zamil. Dude, to get them here, like a good one, it's ridiculous. Oh man, but somebody had one. Cause sometimes, oh, a Woody. Oh yeah, dude, it was super cool. Maybe I think he still has it. I haven't been out there in a while. But they live in like a so you've been up in like the Mid-Atlantic area before, right? Maybe. And Crypto Jammies knows what's up. But they had these old like hunt clubs. Like they were like big ass brick estates that would be like back in like the 18 and 1900s, like early 1900s, people would go hunting at, and it was like a retreat or some shit. And okay, so you got that. He bought one of those and restored it, and it's this fucking big ass estate on like water and everything, and he's got plenty of room for all his cars and shit. And he did that. He's got like a couple other cool cars, but like one of the coolest ones I think was this, like, it was like, I think it was a 1899 if my memory, it was like the first car basically. It was like this old ass Oldsmobile, and it had like wood floor and fucking crank up and everything, dude. Like older than the Model Ts. Like the Woody was way cooler, but this thing was just cool for how like different it is. Yeah, dude. Yeah, but the Woodies are cool, man. The all wood car. Yeah, it's like wood paneling and stuff. It wasn't like fully wood. I wouldn't really trust it on the road anyway. Ricky Rudd? Dude, yeah. Remember Ricky Bobby? Which one's 2 rings? Orps is an Audi fan. I feel you. There's some sick ones for sure. We'll just wait to see this thing plays out. If we're gonna reclaim or look at that. Right to the point of control. I mean, come on now. To be fair, Orbs, if you closed it here and listened to me, I should have said if it loses that, then there is a chance that it rejects. So I apologize if you already got out of that and took an L. Wi-Fi doesn't like that saying. Oh, snap diddly. Dude, I saw one Crypto Jammies. It was this old Model T, and it was fucking sick. It wasn't in Blacksburg, but it was like Western Virginia. It might have been West Virginia. And like I'll like just kind of cruise through Marketplace, like Facebook Marketplace every once in a while, and just look at what people are selling. I'm not buying any fucking more cars, dude, but that one, like, it was fully restored. It wasn't like all original or anything like that, but it was super cool. It was super cool. I don't have a place for it. My fucking whole driveway and like other driveway is full and shit. But you know, I was like, it was only like I don't even want to say, but it was cool. It wasn't that expensive. I don't waste money on shit like that, dude. I need to like feed the kids, keep the lights on. That's the important thing. I would much rather not have cars and just not have to work. That sounds pretty cool, Ridgeline. Like an older one. Let's go. That sounds really cool. Can't imagine. I can't imagine actually Crypto Jammies. How about without power steering in general? Well, let's all juice up and we can get all these. Crypto Jamie's gonna run the dogs. We can get all these dream cars. Shoutouts to BitBase. Maybe we'll get some juice there. TX Flow. We can spend some of our airdrop and our trade earnings. I like those old Opals. They're pretty cool. They're really cool looking. I haven't seen one like built up like I know that this is polarizing, but I like those retro mods. I've seen a couple of them too, maybe. The Evo 37, yeah. Let's go. The Honda NSX, that's like the real with the right-hand drive. Ooh. Yeah, the resto mods. Those are pretty cool. That's the Lancia, isn't it? Zamil? That thing is fucking sweet too. Yeah, but dude, it's a 2-seater. Like, what the hell am I gonna do with that thing? Just the exact same thing as a Bugatti. I already have like a couple of. Just get a warehouse now. We talked about that. I know somebody's got a warehouse for all his fucking collector Porsches. The fuck? He juicing! His name is Biffum. So if you want to collect your Porsche or a dope ass NFT or a mug, love you, Biffum. Kimba family, we built like this. These days, all I do is practice. Long nights. Holy shit, dude. Discipline. Yeah, the meetup, and we just like reenact Tokyo Drift, and we all meet up with all our sick cars in a parking garage and drift through it. I would rather do the outside one. Yeah, how about the one in Rio? Let's do that. Yeah, it's big. Yeah, it still is Crypto Jammies. Ooh, that would be pretty sick. Maybe they came out with a little teaser a couple years ago. I remember it looked really sick. Dude, when I was super small, my mom had an RX-7. That thing was a cool little car. I gotta go to the balcony. I gotta take a piss for real. Proceed. Proceed to the balcony. Dude, get your car game up. Get your TX flow game up. Let's get it.
Liquidity hand παγίδα exhaustion. Δεν κάνω dis, μόνο σέβομαι το trade. Αν δεν έχει edge, δεν μπαίνω no play. Juice trader. Η ζωή με κάνε juice trader. Η ζωή με κάνε. Κι αρωτήσεις γιατί είμαστε gang. Γιατί το chart μας έκανε έτσι. Κι αρωτήσεις γιατί δεν σταματάμε. Γιατί ο χρόνος είναι profit και το μετράμε. Και το μετράμε. Again. Came to see that pump, charters jumping, Kimber gang in the front. You came to get that coin, more than 5 O's in the trade, then get it on. Click by, ride that wave, then get it on. Mark them levels up, came to get it on. Hold up, candle break, I might long that. Then again, I might short that, flip that, till you got that bag stack. Can't fade the math, bro, you gotta trust that. Can't call it luck, we just planned and crushed that. Gang in the stream, yeah, we running this scene. No fudge, just let us some juice in the green. Screens lit, P&L looking
Busting through that door like Seinfeld. I mean, like Kramer. I'm kind of waking up, I guess. That's right, Zamil. Are you for real, Discipline? Arizona, that's OP. That's it. Damn. 65.5. How about that? Shout out to Kimba. And the Kimba's Den exclamation. Discord. Exclamation Discord. They couldn't even get there. They might want higher. Yep, holding that Gex flip. Reclaim. S&P. They said more. Yeah, maybe previous week VWAP if it's going to reject still. It's looking kind of good here. Yeah, getting back above 7,500 was pretty nice. Use the dashboard at all times. We see a bunch of CoinWise indicators on here, settlement being one of them, incorporated into the levels along with the VWAPs. Juicy. And then we got the RTH, ETH gaps. They have some really sick indicators about a drop in the very, very near future. They're in the testing phase. I'm not showing much of it. I have like a kind of a teaser of one of the versions that is in development on the spot chart. But man, Germany's doing, they're going the other way. That's crazy. Is it the song? I'm gonna pull up in my box Chevy like Han. Dude, have you seen those fucking memes of them using AI to like make Han like pulling up in front of the school in a goddamn like Tyrannosaurus Rex or something? That shit is so fucking funny. Pulls up in like a clown car. That movie is so underrated. I don't know. Like, you can cancel me now, but I love that movie. Dolkong, you still there? Did you go to bed, brother? Let's go, Liquidity Shadow. How you doing? FCB virus. Welcome to the Lion King. Let's go. Liquidity Shadow, how you doing? Sorry we've been talking about cars for fucking the whole stream. Let's go, Dolkong. How you doing, dude? Did Zizap find me and he just heard me talking about cars the whole time? He's like taking notes. He's like gonna try and triangulate my position. I used to love cars too. I saw this cool ass. I didn't know that. Yeah, I know, man. Like mine, they sit a lot. Yeah. Yeah, my like main car is a truck, and Mrs. Mandalo's is an SUV. And my other ones, I don't drive that much, but we like. So I have a couple of just like fun little project toys, and like it's kind of a thing with baby Mandalo. She loves to fucking take rides in it, and one of them, and we'll go and do that. Zamil, was that Chimera that you were talking about? Was that the Lancia shell? Those things are fucking so sick. Yeah, I knew that's what you were talking about. I don't think it is a Lancia. Wait, is it? I thought that's what I was thinking of. Yeah, yep. You see me get blinded? Yeah. Oh no, it's exactly the one that I was thinking of. Dude, I think the ignition sequence on that one is supposed to be like pretty crazy too. Yeah, it's like it's kind of like the Aston one. Both of them. Look at that. More. Well, maybe it wasn't that bad of a call, Orups. Yeah, shout outs to Sunset. Let's fucking juice. Holding this low is crazy. I guess that was a clean. We're gonna pop that fib. We're not gonna drop it low because, you know, we're kind of going the other way right now. Now can we fill that thing or what? I'm trying to get my my Camaro. Houston, not the Camaro. I'm gonna get a 1988 Z28. And I'm gonna put 30-inch rims on it. Does that sound about right? Dude, they got fucking 34s now. Let's go, Mark. I know, dude. Yeah, maybe the gap fill. But mind that weekly, previous week VWAP. I'm gonna check on Boot Gamma real quick. See if anything has changed. Shout outs to exclamation Boo Gamma. Hey, we're all gonna make it after this. We're gonna meet up, have a Tokyo Drift rally. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, 75.50. Still a big one. Yeah, and that probably correlates with the 75.80 on ES. Yeah, I see you, Discipline. Pretty crazy that long held. Pretty crazy. Feeling blessed. Shoutouts if you're blessed. Inky said 72.5. I think that's too high if you went down. Really? Really, maybe? Dude, you had a Camaro? That's cool. They don't even make them anymore, do they? I've seen some sick ones built up. Do you like the new Corvettes? Every once in a while, your YOLO calls do in fact hold. Let's go, maybe. Feels good, doesn't it? Hashtag feels good. You want it to be like kind of the same. I see you, Inky. I don't know, man. You know the cyclical thing that's been cycling around. The cycle has been cycling. You know what I'm talking about, the 364 days and then the 1064 days or something. 1030, I can't remember. But it like plays out to like October 5th or October 6th is going to be the market bottom. It's happened like the past 3 cycles. So maybe it'll be a little bit longer. It's crazy for like tops and bottoms. One can dream. 10-11, that's when it is, Dolkong. Oh, dude, maybe that's the retest, Dolkong. Yeah, you get like baby filled, and then you just go in super heavy on that retest on your birthday, and then it juices. Like you get a day like we got back in fucking April or whatever. Was that like the beginning of April? That day was amazing. Or was that the February bottom? It was so bad. And then that day was, yeah, it was February. Dude, that shit was such a great day. I think that was like one of the best, like, the best rebounds that Bitcoin ever had. I think we were doing like the analysis on that. That was so sick. Let's go, Cage. How we doing? You just got here just in time. We just finished talking about cars for like forever. So you didn't miss much. Everything looks great. How you doing, brother? Shout out to Cage. Denial, yeah. The April 6th one. That was pretty juicy. That was pretty juicy. That was nice. I was talking about this one though. That day was crazy. It gapped up on the RTH. That was such a nice move. Even if you got in like on the 62 reclaim, holy shit, that was, I mean, that's basically one session. Yeah, it's a CME, so let's go Inky. Let's go Happy. Oh, you meant from 2024, maybe 25? Yeah, that. Getting to work on the tools. Shoutouts to Cage. Yeah, I was talking about some of those tools. Yeah, that's going to be juice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing some more testing. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Shoutouts to Cage. Let's go. We got Who Juicin' coming up in a little bit. It was so overextended though, maybe. Yeah, that was amazing. That was amazing. Shout out to maybe. Maybe juicing. Let's see where it went on. On spot. How about that? Previous month, previous day EQ, and now trying to turn session point of controls into support. Support day. How about that? The point of control shifted. That's RTH. The 74K low, I believe that's what he's talking. Yeah, everybody thought I was gonna get swept and it held it like fucking $20 low. That was crazy. That was juicy. And then it gave us some nice little retest, didn't it? Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Make a plan and stick with it. It did fly after that. That was crazy. And then like everybody wanted it to pull back, and then that one weekly open, the next weekly open, it just like straight juiced. Yeah, talking about this. Thought I was chilling, pop up out the cut, Tesla truck, duffel bag, bet you know I mess it up. Look like Obama leave when they walk me out the club, hopping bulletproof Escalade, following another truck. I'm worth something with you. Hey, Escalade, you hear that? They're talking about you. This was the open right here. Flat bottom, flat base candle. Yeah, oh shit, it's gonna sweep, psych. Yeah, that was a really, really nice reaction. And then, you know, I know I'm in perps, but fuck it. Yeah, it gave us a little pullback and go. And then get back above that point of control. Weekly open above. And more importantly, that 85.1 was super big for the range. It was big for the range since we were here. So that was like your weekly reclaim. And then let's go. We've had some good times, haven't we? Let's go, Escalade. Oh, a golden pocket retest. He's in the Kimba box it on his birthday. Dolkong, shout out to Dolkong. Dolkong, what was your card choice? In the glass, painting the bigger picture. Citrus in the veins, blood pumping richer. Kimba Gang's the name, legends in the scripture. We're juicing up, feel the rush inside. Kimba Gang taking over. Feel the rush. Lightning strikes, yeah, we won't subside. Juicing up, living electrified. Yeah, let's see what Eve is doing. Snap diddly. Yep. I think the rest of that single print at least. Maybe that naked point of control. Some new is a coming. You hear You hear it from the man himself, getting to work on the tools. I can't wait to share some of these new things that is being developed. Yeah, I think y'all are gonna love it. When you were younger, Dokong, I mean, sure, how about now? We don't have to look to the past, let's look to the future. I mean, it's all relative, XM. It's all relative. I'll say I'm comfortable. But it doesn't matter how much you have, you're always going to look for more. You like the Urus? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, dude, but if you want the special edition, you gotta... Yeah. Those are sick. What color, Dolkong? P&L green? P&L green? You can go satin black. Metallic satin green. The Range Rover. Yeah. That's right, Sunset. Dude, speaking of those resto mods, the I kind of like just different, you know what I mean? So like those resto mods of like the Defenders and shit. I had a friend that did that several years ago before like you could just buy them from companies. He like imported one and got it redone. But now you can get them, they're fucking sick. They're so expensive though. If they're expensive, just make more. I'm talking like 300K for a old Defender. It's kind of crazy. But those Chimeras too. Yeah, shout out Stolkong, the Range Rover. The reason that people get Range Rovers here is to write them off. Best they can. But they are nice. Really? Yeah, fuck yeah, dude. The Forgiato Juice Mobile. Yeah. Dude, you need something indestructible. Yeah, it's like your custom order. P&L green. But make it... Oh, you want the shiny one. Yeah, the metallic. The Hummers aren't anymore, though. They are sick because they're electric. Yeah, like get one of the rebuilt old ones. Those are pretty dope. There's a couple companies doing that now. I like those. How about the Resvanis? Oh, Dokong. Instead of getting the Urus, you should get that Resvani Urus. I just like all the fucking spy gadgets those cars have. Ooh, maybe. That's a nice one. I like Eleanor, but I do like the old Chevys too. My uncle had just a real hot rod 69 Camaro. Fucking sweet, dude. And somebody broke in his garage and stripped it one night. And he was like, fuck this, man. I don't know how he didn't hear it, though. Yeah, the H2s. You like the H2s? I like the H1s, man. But there are some sick ones. Let's go Dolkong. Exactly. Dude. Seriously. It was back in the day, though. Yeah, Zamil. Dude, the thing was a beast for like back in the day. Because now you're getting 1,000 horsepower like out of fucking everything. But those old like raw fucking muscle cars, just love the sound. Let's go, Rahaman Pug. Thank you for the resub, brother. 3 years. You got a new... You don't like the Hummers, Sunset? That's cool. I don't have one. So the funny thing is that like for the H2s, it's just like caddies. They all have the exact same smell inside. Their own unique scent. Like you could be blindfolded, thrown in the back. You know what kind of car you're in. That's the only way that you're doing a meetup with Mandalo. You get blindfolded on your way there. Like, I'm definitely in an H2. Let's go uranium. Sunset, what do you like? Let's get nasty on seriously, Sunset. I would be in a Hilux over there. Now they're fucking them up and making them electric. Where are you gonna plug that thing in at? Yeah, I like the H1s. They're huge. They're huge. I just like big cars. I don't know. Ooh. Yeah, it's a meal. No, me neither. Like, it's crazy the kind of horsepower that they get out of them, but like, I don't know. Even like the hybrid form. Exactly, Orups. Oh, you said that, didn't you? Yeah, those are sick. You just can't mess with that. Dude, y'all, I fucked up back in the day. I had the chance. It was like right before I could have gotten one. Right before that movie. And it was cheap. It was so cheap. and I fucking didn't do it. I was like, nah. And then they like 10x'd in price. Idiot. I was super young though. I was like, man, I can't like have another car. You live near the beach, so free real estate. Yeah, dude, real estate always wins in my book. As far as just like, you hear me talking about cars, like don't get me started on real estate. I'm intentionally avoiding that topic because I fucking will just, it'll consume us. There you go, Zamil. There we go, Sunset. Well, trying to get back inside. Maybe this 4-hour S&P is looking pretty good. Let's see the 4-hour. Damn. Yeah, you really want it to get back here. PDEQ. I don't even need it marked. It's a pretty nice little candle. But to continue, we want to get, we got 7 minutes. I'm fixing to wind it down, y'all. I gotta work. It is Orups, and then like with all these amazing people here, all the different opinions, and everybody has good taste. You know, some people might disagree about certain cars. Yeah, nice tail into the weekly VWAP. Yeah, it actually is like even juicier than it looks. It's pretty crazy. We got previous day VWAP and you know, this composite point of control above. So that's kind of like your last line of defense. We start getting closes up here, and we got these highs above us and the other one to complete the rotation around 67.3. Yeah, President speaks at 3. Go Terra. So Guru is ready to short it again. Let's go, So Guru. Yeah, we got earnings at 4 also, or right after market, after the bell. For Google and Tesla, keep an eye on those. But there's not really too many other like big earnings until next week. And then we have like a whirlwind. We got CME contract switch on Wednesday, then FOMC, then we have like fucking everything earnings. Like I think it's like 3 more of the big 7 on Wednesday. It might only be 2. I can't remember. And then strategies on Thursday. And you got monthly close on TRADFI on Friday. Right? Monthly close on everything is on Friday. That's pretty cool. So IBM is today too. Oh shit. I forgot about that. Intel's tomorrow. not looking great. They're bouncing into earnings. That was kind of concerning. And it closed outside value on the weekly. Yeah, we need fucking a better chart. Clean. Damn, IBM. Is that today? So IBM, Intel's tomorrow, IBM's today. It was like Netflix and Palantir is after next week. Meta next week also. Next Wednesday. So FOMC day. We got Tesla today. Micron's like way in the future. Microsoft is FOMC day also, I think. Yeah. And then Amazon Thursday next week. So we got Amazon and MicroStrategy is on Thursday. And then SpaceX is like, I think the following week. Yeah, Google today. Apple is next Wednesday. Oh, next Thursday. Damn, next Thursday's gonna be next week's gonna be juicy with earnings. And then Nvidia's in the future too. Like they always do it like that. That's juicy. Look at Nvidia. That 210. Let's go. All right, anybody want to see something really quick? Because I'm about to get out of here. Mind the tiniest bit of gold of a meteor? Yeah, we want to get like some. I want to mine some SanDisk out of a meteor. I'm gonna put the outro on, but I'll TA anything that you want to see like real fast before we get out. Especially to make up for all the cars fucking consuming the stream. Thank you, Mark. Hope you have a great day too. Yeah. Oh, I mean, I don't think that they're like up only forever. Yeah, Sunset. That was pretty crazy, wasn't it? It was in the, I mean, the math is the math. Thank you, Incremental. Yeah, we were kind of watching the gammas. Kind of see the positioning. You know. It's a IPO. It happens. It happens. Yeah, there was that other one. What's that ticker? Sky High. There's another ICO. Or IPO, sorry. From last week. We didn't TA this one yet. But you had that super strong run. I mean, it's kind of given hints of SpaceX, isn't it? 150 to 200. And then right back and take the lows. High volatility. Was it Dolcon that told me about that one? Cheers, Emil. Was it you, maybe? Are you keeping an eye on that one? Yeah, let's go, Dolkong. Shout out to Dolkong. I'm gonna save this one. Oh, it's Sky High. It's SK HYPERLIQUID, maybe, is what we were looking at. This one. It's the not the one listed on NASDAQ. Check the Korean stock chart. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, it just got listed on NASDAQ, but it's not like the actual IPO. Oh, are you doing it on Binance? Is it on BitBase? Exclamation BitBase. Maybe it's on BTCC. Fuck. Is the ticker still... Is this it? No. Oh, this might be. Is that the right one? Oh, fuck me. I remember we even like looked at it together. I'm retarded. Let's TA it tomorrow afternoon. Market close with Mandalo tomorrow. I'll get it sorted out. 060060. All right. Yeah, we'll TA. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. We have the Who Juicin stream coming up in a little bit. Are they gonna let me do this? Why wouldn't it come up when I did that? Shoutouts to Dolkong. Thank you, Dolkong. I'm gonna save this one. Oh my god, and now like I have fucking everything on here. All these rotations and everything. I need a million rotations. This is like ETH. They ran it up into the listing on NASDAQ. It's too easy. They do this shit for everything. Let's go, maybe. All right, shout outs to Shishi Bui. Have a great afternoon or evening. Yeah, same, Zamil. Yeah, volatility, a little bit more volatility for a while. That was pretty juicy. Yeah, Korea dumped it on them. Let's go, Dokong. You're like, you fucking motherfuckers. It's so funny. It's a tale as old as time. It's a tale as old as time. Yeah, Zamil. Shout out to Zamil. Shout out to Sunset. Sunset, hope you can make it tomorrow afternoon. Come armed with some new questions. All of you. Orups, thank you for the question earlier. That was a good nerd out. Shout outs to whoever didn't cancel me. Housty, thanks for not canceling me for talking about cars for a fucking hour. We had a good stream though. We had a good time. We gotta like keep it in perspective. Like, what are you trying to do this for? For your family? For the culture? For cred? For clout? Dude, I'll tell this story another time. I can't end on that. I love y'all. Thanks, Crab Market survivors. Shorts, longs. Yeah, Cage is doing it for the culture. For the clout. Whatever that good, or whatever good that does us. Yeah, at least Shishibui, we like kind of pointed out or identified that where probability lied, or where the probability was if it had that bounce, where would be kind of a, you know, a responsible place. Like, look at this structure. I don't know, it just makes me feel like that. But you know, getting back inside that daily value, getting back above point of control, probably has a higher probability for continuing higher, especially with S&P doing what it was doing. God damn it. RTH is about to send it. Oh shit, Cage. You heard him. You heard him. Take your notes. He likes the monthly bad highs. Yep.
Every pullback, every small mistake taught me lessons that I had to take. Wins and losses, all a part of play.
He wants this.
I'll be back someday. There were moments I had my doubts. Stops got hit, had to ride it out. Through the losses,
I think it's the weekly.
every move just made
But
me change. How do I
that, you got a whole lot before we get there. It's this, to me. And we'll just have to wait and see. One day, Cage, not today. Even if we got the ginormous Bilbo Baggins. Shishibui, I bereave. I bereave. Yeah, maybe. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, big thank you to all of you. Who is this? Big thank you to all of you. Shout outs to Dolcon, Liquidity, Shadow, Indolion,
Till next time.
XM,
Till next time.
Kings of the West, Killer Hunter, Bugs Bunny, Kimba Gang Always, Cage, shout outs to Cage, shout outs to Maybe Band-Aid, shout outs to Biffum, Collie Noob, Coke Zero, Mark, PSG. Oh my god, that was the last song, was it? Oh no, it's not. Big cheers, dude. E-Girl was trying to send me a tip. Come on, man. I'm trying to get some Chipotle, dude. Getting some Uber Eats here. Shout out to Shishi Bui. Yeah. Yep. Thank you. Shout outs to all. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to all the mods and admins. Husty, Buzz, Chauncey, Cyper, MGK, Tiki, Coin Nerd. Coin Nerd's always gonna have a shout out, even if he is running Dubai by now. Oh shit, the prediction points. God dang it. You should have reminded me way long ago. I'm trying to fucking go to work and stuff. Oh my god. Is that the open? No. Oh, it was the... How is there that many candles? It was green. Alright, congratulations to the Bulls on the market open. Sorry, y'all. It still was a weak showing, though. Who was it? Who was the biggest juicer on this one? Ridgeline, let's go. Oh, Mark. I mean, at least he didn't full port it. What do those highlighted candles mean? It's volume. It's relative volume. And it looks like shit on a 5 minute, dude. It doesn't mean anything, really. You gotta, like... I really don't chart on 5 minutes unless I'm trying to, like, snipe an entry or something. It's volume. It's like Z-score. Yeah, so, like, bright green is strong, way stronger buying. Blue is like relatively higher buying. Bright red is higher sell volume, and yeah, the vector candles, let's go maybe. And then purple, wherever those are, is like the kind of downgraded selling. Yeah, I would love to see something like that from CoinWise. They have some sick things coming out, though. Believe you me. Let's go, Cage. Yep. And breakouts. And breakouts. And at least I can use them, or I try to use them for that. Like, you get huge volume on a fucking spot break of the highs. Are you being sarcastic, or nah? I do really like this, and I would love for it to be a CoinWise indicator that I'm using. This is the only indicator, other than, like, you know, the tools, that isn't CoinWise that I use. That are like the standard trading view indicators. There's a couple of them. Remedy had a version of it. Cage, but I don't think it was like this. It was a little bit different. It was cool though, right? We're on like zero music now. Okay, here's the last one. Now I'm gonna do the sign out. I for real gotta go. I always do this. I just enjoy being here with you guys, and then it's hard for me to go. Really? Well, let me fucking throw that motherfucker on there. Let's go. All right, much love, Cage. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise, coinwise.com/dashboard. Juicy Juice, we got some excitement in a little while. I gotta get out of here before fucking Hugh Juicing comes in, and we have like not that much volatility right now, so we're just gonna send it off. Who Juicing coming up in about 40 minutes. Let's get it. Let's get it, I-19. Let's get a Cage. Or if there even is one at all. You have the only one? Maybe. Is it locked? I want to see it. Shout outs to Maybe. Thanks for the conversation today. Shout outs to all of you. We weren't like completely on task, but yeah, the Vector candles. Well, you know what the plan is. It is? Oh shit. Well, I'm gonna add it after the stream. Let's go. Shout outs to Maybe. This is Koala. I do like it though. I've been using it for a long time. You need Coke and Biffin to go short? Dude, you know. Good evening. Yeah, we'll have the afternoon stream tomorrow. And then I think Kimba live trading in the morning. Is he gonna get it? Get the dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. It's on schedule. And then market close with me. Kimba live trading, Who Juicing, and LIQUIDITY is that talent. Y'all gotta get in these talent shows, man. It's free money. It's a lot of fun. Thanks, Maybe. Shout outs, Maybe. Much love. Have a great afternoon. Which Mandalo profile? What are you talking about? Discipline? Which one? Godzilla? Oh my goodness. It's Godzilla. All right, shout outs Cage, shout outs Maybe. Later. Hope you all have a great day. I said it right. Let's go. 10 binds. Dole Kong, I-19, Maybe, Inky. Shout outs to Kimba, shout outs to BitBase, exclamation BitBase, exclamation TX Flow. Shout outs to Who Juicing, exclamation Who Juicing, and coming up in a little while. And exclamation CoinWise. Do not forget about that dashboard on CoinWise, coinwise.com/dashboard. Options education dropped on Friday, I think, of last week, and they're gonna have a Boo Gamma one very, very soon. Ooh-wee. Shout outs to their education in general. It is juice. They have like almost 100 classes. Holy shit. quizzes, journal, and that journal is getting retooled even more. Yeah, if you're juicing on the CoinWise, you got even more juice to come. Let's go. Maybe Happy Zamil. Shishi Bui, Sunset, Mark, Inky, Dokong, Zamil, Uranium, Aim Tox, Calling Noob. Shoutouts to E-Girl. Shoutouts to Kimba AI. I19. Later, Dokong. Have a wonderful night. Liquidity Shadow. Have a good one. Denial. Aim Tox, Penlovsky. PSG! Alright, love y'all. I'm out of here. Peace!
It's Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knot is connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.